it's just a good morning in the Yukon Valley. Alright, let's go hunt grizzly bear and caribou. Alright, so hey guys, and I want to show you this place I really like to hunt grizzly bear. And it's a very good place. And I've killed a lot of grizzly bear here, so I want to show you. It's like in this area somewhere. If you can find this area, then you can hunt grizzly bear there. It's like the best spot to hunt there, so I really like that place. And I am using a shotgun with a rifle bullet that can take down bison and shotgun bullets. And I'm gonna go get the four-wheeler real quick so it can be faster and so that it can be a quicker video. Alright, I'm gonna go pick up the four-wheeler. No, not there. We want to go to four-wheeler. Let's get the green. Alright, so I'm ready to hunt. Yes, the four-wheeler does sound creepy. Whenever I'm in the forest, it gets like, whenever I put the brakes, it makes this squeaking sound. It feels like so I don't like that, but so I am back, and I want to say a big thanks for you guys watching the video. Like, this is so I really hit the subscribe button. And this is my first video, so I really So I just want to show you all the reserves I have. I only have 3, so the one I'm on right now is the Yukon Valley. It is a cool place, like I said. And there's also Leighton Lake and this European place. Also, Leighton Lake has this like creepy add-on to it, so hopefully, well, I got like in the middle of it, so I will get more regions. So I just want to like get all of them, and yeah, let's hunt in the Yukon Valley. And I don't know if we're gonna get a grizzly bear since I walk past there sometimes and there's not usually one there. And we are gonna go try to hunt caribou or bear, and I'll see you guys at night. So I am back, and I changed it to night, and this is where I usually hunt. So I've usually hide in this hideout, and when they stand up, I either shoot them in the neck or the head because that's the perfect chance when they're holding still. And I just started playing Hunter Call of the Wild like 1 month ago, technically on Christmas. So we are gonna try to get a bear. I do have weapon pack 2 and 3. I heard people getting the M1 Grand on weapon pack 4, I believe, but I can't like get it since it's not showing up on my Xbox. As you can see, I'm playing on it. And if I can spot a grizzly bear, that would be nice. But alright, so usually caribou are in this place, like common. So this is a very common place for like caribou and bears. But like is a very cool place. We're gonna end the video in a minute, so I'll make a part 2 since I only have a 5-minute recording thing. And I will see you guys later on. Bye.